51 Merc Woody. Rare, rare, rare bird. And I want to show you this because now you can see exactly what goes on. See all the woodwork, the way how it's done. Now this has the steel frame, but look at the way how it's a laminate on through that's put together. This is fantastic. You can really see what goes on over here. Now on the 51, the tailgate's wood. On the 49, metal. On the 49, it was wood. You can see the way how it looks over here. It's not restored yet. Oh, so much is coming in. It's great. See the nylock over there? Again, the 49, that's all wood. Is that cool? And you have the wood interior. Here you're not going to see it because she's not ready. She will be. Of course, flathead 8. The Merc 8. What a rare treat. 51 Merc Woody.